Welcome back to another book review, media review. Today we're looking at a catalog from SIG SAUER, and this one has a caption, "When It Counts." You can see a stock photo here, the models. This catalog is bound like a paperback book. You can see on the back cover here, "When It Counts." Contact info at the time. I'm going encourage you to research current contact info if you're interested. Again, this is from 2010. You see how this glossy section is reflecting the camera. See all the trademarks and models offered on the back cover. Again, this is from 2010, so as they say right here, specifications subject to change without notice. So again, research current product info. So on the inside cover, SIG SAUER pistols we start off with. You see some stock photos and our contents for the book. Let's go ahead and start taking a look here. We start off with the 220. See some stats and the sub models, the 220, and also they sometimes have a recommended accessory off to the side here. So here we got one of their CPLRM compact pistol laser rail mount. We got the stainless Elite, different variations here, conversion kit, carry, the compact, and then each model series in this book will have shared features and optional accessories, as well as some stock photos and more information. Here we got the 226 series. Let's start off with TAC Ops. Here we got a retention holster. Some of the other features here. We got the Navy, the Enhanced Elite, 226, the Extreme, different finish there. You see accessories and features again. 229. We got Dark Elite. We got Tactical Light and Laser. We got different grip. Updated slide profile. 229, 229, SAS Gen 2, 229 Enhanced Elite. Conversion kit there, optional accessories and features. Continuing with the 239. Tactical. Got SAS Gen 2. Different versions there. See how they smoothed off the front there, dehorned. 232. $290. Adjust this light a little bit better. Yeah, I think that helped. Continuing with the 250. Looks like we have subcompacts, compacts, full size. This one you start to see the introduction of fire control assembly modules, which I believe they are using now with some of their current offerings. Standard. SB2022. Modular fire control group. 238. Got a rainbow there. Equinox, Rosewood, SAS, Extreme, HD. '11 series. Got a ultra compact double magazine pouch. So get that to focus better. Let's see if we get a different light on this. That helps. A little bit. Now I got a shadow. Got Tac Ops C3 ultra compact stainless and STX. They say visit the website for current specifications, complete specifications, new traditional models, stainless match elite, two-tone match elite, reverse two-tone, stainless compact, we got a little page on competition. Their team members and his accolades. Target Legend returns. Here we got a 210 Legend, 226 X5 all around, 226 X5 competition. 226 X6 lightweight, X6 Supermatch, and the 1911 Target. Quite a few offerings there. Then we get into 22 LR versions. So it's similar profile to the larger versions, but in 22 LR. You can see there are Mosquitoes, 220, 229, 1911, and 22. Classic series. You got 226 Extreme, 220 Combat TB, 239 SAS Gen 2, 226 Equinox, 229 Stainless Elite. And get into rifles. See some other branding there too. We got the SIG 516. Tactical sling. So, and this is some models are shown with optional accessories that are not included in models or subject to change. Again, this is 2010, so feel free to research more current info and setup, features, accessories, etc. Product offerings. So, they do have created quite a few more product lines since then. Here's 716. Red dot bipod, Harris bipod actually. Let's see, Magpul furniture. SIG 556. Legend continues. We got a Patrol SWAT. Optional magazine, set up for M16 AR-15. Here we got the P556. Here we got the classic. You'll notice that feature there. I'll Some accessories and features. Here we got the Russian DMR and the SIG SCM. That's the SIG SCM right there. There's our DMR. Let's see what else we got going on here. SIG 522, so 22LR version. Here's the one about the SCM, and here's one of the SWAT. Accessories and features. We got the Tactical 2 or the SSG 3000. A lot going on there. The time looks like 338 a Lapua, 300 Win Mag, 308 Win, and 223 Rem. Here's a Tactical 2. This looks like a SIG 3000. Oh, the Mirage bands. There's a SIG 3000 right there. Interesting. Features and accessories. What else we got? Here we got a little bit on the SIG SAUER Academy. We'll go get some training. And their instructional material. Armor certification. Conversion kits. 250 exchange. Centerfire exchange. Some features in those groups. 22LR rimfire conversion. And we're getting into the accessories. Rotary diopter sight, STL 300J stop light, tactical light and laser, P90 tactical light and laser, bridge mount, STS 081 mini red dots. I know they offer a lot more optics and stuff now, so again, check out current product offerings, because this is 2010. Things have changed quite a bit in technology. Compact pistol laser and rail mounts, tactical light and laser, range bag, laser aiming device, holsters, magazine pouches, upper assembly kits, Mirage bands, tactical slings, handguard rail mounts, aluminum magazines, a connector, factory magazines. There's a list available, I believe, at 2010. You can see there on the chart. What else? Getting near the end here. A lot of table stuff, pistol specifications for all the models that we've gone through. Some magazines, action type, overall measurements, weights, sights, grips, frame material, frame finish, slide material, slide finish, other, which includes accessory rail, threaded barrel, beaver tail, ambi safety, magwell, pistol additions, available following models. You got calibers, action type, dimension adjustments, sights, front and rear, grips, material frame slide, finish frame slide, other features. A whole bunch of stuff. We got our little notes here. Quite a few. Rifle specifications. Caliber, action type, operating system, stock type, 4N type. Weight without mag, overall length, length stock collapsed, length stock folded, barrel length, rifling, trigger type, trigger weight, mag type, mag capacity. Notes at the bottom. A lot of stuff in this these tables. That way you can do a quick compare and come to the end. So this was, including the cover information, 53 pages. So this is a book. So again, we just did a book review, media review on a catalog from SIG SAUER 2010. Encourage you to research current product information. Feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. And we also do curios for the curious videos and more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.